In today's quick tip, we're going to talk about the Tuna Can Test and how do you do it and why should you do it. If you are new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button, tap the like button, and leave a comment down below letting me know how you found my channel. So the first thing is the Tuna Can Test is a way to measure how much irrigation or water you're putting down on the lawn. The first thing you typically want to do is you take your tuna can that you've emptied and you can mark on the inside where a ½ inch is, and then you take it and you go and you set it in the middle of a zone and turn your irrigation on. Turn your sprinkler system on. Turn your water hose on for the sprinkler. And then once it reaches that ½ inch mark, you stop measuring the time, you turn it off, and that's how long you need to water that zone or water that sprinkler. We want to water about a ½ inch at a time to avoid runoff and to avoid puddling in the lawn. Especially at my house with clay soil, I found that ½ inch is about the most that my lawn can absorb in a given watering session. So you don't want to be wasteful. You want to save your money, right? So go ahead and measure how long it takes to put down a ½ inch of water in your lawn. As always, guys, thanks for watching. Make sure you hit that like button, tap subscribe down below. Follow me on Instagram and Twitter at DonsLawns1, and I'll see you in the next video. Best of luck in the lawn.